Dongkamukam Police Outpost ki parlo angkang bike humni ang bonga hiring tangrak pen kacetonga jok inut apran kidam. Bang hinia hiring tangrak pen aringa hukiso. Chalana Vipin pen Forest Gate la pen bid office ki hona tumapan tangka ki pipen harong sakti ang tan ki pon. Kardom ada babirta long penili junaliti mungpi non birta ang ton pen arjuik tha Assam dehin okpran kilanga minister pen dispor long vosik clear ni Difu Medical College puthak isi mai phasi kinang sot alam cheparai pon Assam dehin okpran kilang a minister Himanta Biswa Sarma lapen Karbiang long autonomous council ang bong dispor long Difu Medical College puthak chingki jethansi akaprik akimia site kasilam tujia phan lam the cheparai Minister Sarma pen chepahempu amaya long Difu Medical College along Mirbiri Kasilam pen Apolon ki pijia pan kachingway aklong palidam. Aru hinia ni Minister Sarma Difu Medical College ahem kikim nang kilang hutsi Medical College thengno along Mirbiri kapado kinang sot alam ning jetikang. Kachingway along CM Tuliram Ronghang EM mate MP Akimi Horen Singh Be Mongor Singh Timung Lun Singh Teron Okpran Saikam a Principal Secretary Samir Kumar Sinha ang pada Okpran Saikam kithe apang phuatum chetong dun. Assam along Karbiang long Krongput Nagaland lapen Manipur NS 36 lapen 39 kachelenga towar pi delai 14 miles adak akile towar kahino part pi kajok delai KSA pen patirpi ponsi towar hiling along sokke e lang ok parhi ok tur lapen lan ke warasai ke paklang pona beta nilitum cut news channel along perang ke pen beta nang pale Dila KSA head branch lapen KSA Central Committee atumpen patirpi ponsi good road safe life po se ke thepen ke hang katara ponalong Santilang so KSA branch Kuligong KSA branch Upper Diklong KSA branch Hidipi KSA branch lapen soar lomai atumpen lawang soja megalong cherap chetudun towa kai no kele kilit pikajok difuben chokyolan kapali jiapas heno towarang bo sangkrang lason thaksi towar piang bong break jamakari motor jaimek kedeng pon bomahut kajing thang theklong KSA Central Committee Kongjun Bang Thangsing Timung pen Prabjin pen National Highway 3639 kachelenga towar pisaram le purote non kache tongar mu pen anso se hiring tangrak pen kewangji langar ni kache song padopon thuji towar kaselam papa pre purote towar karang khasai dengpon thuji lapen Central Road Minister Tong Sikot pen Assam nang humri pen lakromie towar nang lang nang jiputa perang kiang no kaninje pon padu
National Highway 36 and this is the threat, this is the warning to the National Highway Authority of India. If you are not going to construct immediately the National Highway 36 and 39, then we are going to protest in huge number. Today we have less in number, not more than 200-300, but if your action will be delaying, then in coming days we are going to protest against your government and we are going to block this National Highway 36 and 39 in place of planting all this peripheral.
Tulibilak sarkare eta news tyre পৰা দেখি আছে যে আমাৰ
ৰাস্তাৰ বেয়া কাৰণে আৰু আমি ফসিব লাগে হৈছে ইয়াতে ৰাস্তা ভাল থাকালে আমি নফসিলো আৰু এই লৰা ছোৱালী বিলাক আহে আমাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী বিলাক তো স্কুলৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট আছে না একৰা তো আহে আৰু উপায় নাই আহিব লগিয়া হয় আৰু নাহিলো নহয় প্যাসেঞ্জাৰে কমপ্লেইন কৰে ন প্যাসেঞ্জাৰে কমপ্লেইন কৰে এতিয়া নাহিলেও তো নহয় কৰ পৰা আহিছে পাছখন আমি ডিফু পৰা আহিছে তো চকিহেলা যাম
Non malom so poropan birta moington ba eksena
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina phi puthot birta long wang thulo West Karbi Anglong District Dongkamukam Police Outpost ki parlo angkang vosing ni phai pliani ani tili sira minute like pra phwa por malom bike hum ni ang bong ahing tangrak pen ka chitong ajok inoda bang phwa pran ki damla pen bang hini ahing tangrak pen aringa hukiso birta phirang ke Calvin terang pen birta nang pale Dongkamukam rong supi pen atur ke kangka chileng PWD atwar ang bong humnia bike ahing tangrak pen ka chitong Birda kirip dulong ateng ke apran ke dam joya bang puatur ke kang timung arong amekar karditang borsing timung asupu Chandra timung atap ke brat truck lapen alang di discover bike a number AS09D3282 pusi pangtheklo apran ke dam di Chandra timung alang di Somar school kachika kapora hut kaching thum dunjia phan hempen ke barahut atur ke kang anatu Hero Honda pen Kibang bom lang hanteron arong ameka khorsing hanse asupo sarhon hanse ata inkoira po jirsong hanse ata inkoira trong lapen alang litum pen nangkebek a bike a number S01L3830 pen ahing tangrak pen kachitong ajoksi apran dam jilo lapen banghinya hiring tangrak pen aringa husolo Dongkamukam Police Outpost in charge pen pachini labang so bike kachitong along banghinya tum ahiring tangrak pen aringa hukiso jok Dongkamukam Health Center long kiso ke lang jiaphan ponlo apithu ho jai ansi se ke lang jiaphan pon thulo pusi berta long dur Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rong Hangpen Forest Department abothak review meeting batai padolo Bonsutame Forest ami dunang ke bat bea berta non hajong phirang ke pen katni sa sahemalong berta nang pale Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rong Hangpen batai review meeting ke padupon along ingnam raikom saipu chukamara tumaphan forest amidu kapalong jiaphan bor ipon nang jipusi kachuning ripon lo pontami ingnam raikom saipu chukamara tum sai ke klempon ke chok thelapen srimaphan rupat ke pahon atibiason pinakajok forest pen kilong nang jiamidu an ke srimason forest saipu chukamara tumsi chupanglim et labang suang thek jong dami chalana vipin pensitame forest gate laben bid office along tangka pichomote harlong sang dia truck kapach jeng toy pen Karbi Anglong pen amtang ponlong hirang kya tum doje sang se amina sai ka chiklem pon ajok harlong sang tigi pon atrak khang dun pen lam thekar juduna hut kapachni pon atengke alang tum along chalan ave Adhe ke chalan nang ne pin pensita me tangka pichomlote harlong porlong pasi Pherangkia thengno than pachini lasi laso biota Pherangkia tumke wang jilang anita biota paklang pon bom jilang Ada beberapa pangkila pon sekang ton paiklo dumi thak me kurang tu